Hello everyone. So yesterday we have studied about the dominance index and the Simpson index. Today we are going to study about the association index. So before studying what is association index, first of all we have to understand what an association is. So neither organism nor the species population exist by itself in nature. That means they tend to live together in a group. They are a part of an assemblage of a species population. Okay, so association is a major unit in a community ecology and is characterized by essential uniformity of species composition. So what does it mean? What is uniformity? So, uniformity of species means individuals are regularly spaced in the environment. As you can see, each individual is regularly spaced in a particular environment. So, an association can be regarded as an assemblage of wandering population and is an arbitrary unit. Arbitrary unit, that means it is a self-willing unit. It can decide on its own whether to form an assemblage or not. Next is examples. So, for social mammals living in fission-fusion societies, the mother-infant bond is long and extend beyond the nurse period. So, first of all, we have to understand what is fission-fusion society. So, fission fusion society is the one in which the size and the composition of the social group change as the time passes and the animal move throughout the environment. So, as we can say fission, that means the splitting of the animal group, and the fusion, that means animals merge into a group. So, in this example, we have seen that the association between a mother and the infant extend beyond a particular time period. That is, we can say the feeding period. Now another example is Wilson, that is a scientist, quantify mother-calf association pattern in a small population of bottlenose dolphins, that is Tursiops truncatus, that is the scientific name. Result, the 17 individual adult as a mother to 20 young calves with a 5% level of probability. What sort of probability is this? It means the mean index of the association, that is the chances of association of the mother and the calf, it remains high until the 8 years of a life. Okay, now as the age of the calves increase, they are found less surfaced beside their mother, that is they start splitting from their population, from their association. Another example is that of two groups of brown lemurs, that is Eulemur fulvus rufus, studied by Gerson at Madagascar. So, association index was calculated keeping in the consideration of two factors. First, the frequency and the distance as the nearest neighbor. So, association index pattern is seen in three category of animals, that is we can say male female, between male male, and male and juvenile. So, these three groups show high proximity at a certain time, that is they have more closeness and they have more chances to form a certain type of association. So result is variety of social relationships are important to group social organizations. Another example is the bees and the plants, that is we can say flowering plants that have evolved close associations, and importance of bee as a pollinator has long been known. Okay, and negative associations were not significant. Negative associations are those in which any one particular species is harmed, so this is not categorized under the association pattern. Another is the Nicholas E. Newton Fisher studied the association by male chimpanzees. So, chimpanzees, that is pentroglodites, association parties are affected by following. First factor is the cycling females, that is increase amount or number of individuals in association, that is in a group if females are more, the chances of association are more. Then second, large patches are observed only where resource is available, only a few patch. That means if a resource, that is we can say the food, the water is present in a small area, the chances of being presence of larger group is high there. Then third, if resource become more abundant through increase in the number of available patches, more small parties would be expected, that is, more small associations will be formed. Males are less influenced by their foraging constraint, that is, their counterparts, associates. In males, the social status is highly dependent on the coalitional support from other males, that is, the support that they get from their neighbors, their other associates in the groups. And high social status can lead to more mating opportunities, that is, between a male and a female. Result is association is important for individuals to recognize one another as a community member. Another factors such as fruiting trees also attract the male chimpanzees. So differential association, it is more pronounced in larger parties as it result from the attractiveness of the resource, that is the food, the water and other things, and more valuable resource will be more attractive and show a positive relationship with the party size. So differential association concept is also related to association index. Association index, this statistical index attempts to measure the extent of linkage equilibrium, that is, we can say the linkage balance within a population, that is, how much association was there within a particular population. So by quantifying the amount of recombination among a set of a sequence and the detecting association between the alleles. Now alleles, what are alleles? So an allele is a variant form of a gene. Some genes have a variety of different forms which are located at a same position. That position is known as genetic locus on a chromosome. And loci, so what is loci? It is a specific fixed position on a chromosome where a particular gene is located. So the formula for association index is IA is equal to V naught upon me VE minus 1. So here V naught denotes the observed variance of K, VE denotes the expected variance of K, and K represents the number of loci, the position at which two individuals differ, that is the difference in their gene, okay, is calculated in this formula. Note, if there is a linkage equilibrium because of the frequent recombination events, the expected value of IA, that is association index, is 0. What does it denotes? So 0 denotes the two individuals are always seen together, the chances of that. Association patterns. So to examine these patterns, a measure of tendency of each pair of male to its associate was calculated. It is termed as the dyadic association strength. So to calculate a twice weight association index for each dyad, the formula is IAB is equal to AB upon में A plus B minus में AB. So AB represents the number of scans with individual A and B both present together. A represents the number of scans in which A is present, and B represents the number of scans in which V is present. That is, individual organisms are also present there. So the second stage is convert this index into a relative measure of association. That is, now we have to convert it into an association index, a formal association index. So ZAB is equal to IAB minus I upon में S. So IAB is association index. I is the main index across all the males forming an association, and S denotes the sample standard deviation. So what is standard deviation? It is a measure of the amount of variation or dispersion of a set of values. Now another example is the association patterns among the dolphinids. Social organization is best known in killer whales, that is scientific name Orcinus orca. Sluton, that is a scientist, et al. Used cluster analysis, half-weight association index. This method we are going to study in a few minutes later. And temporal analysis to determine the reassociation rate for the dolphins, that is Cephalorhynchus hectori. The formula is AI is equal to J upon में A plus B minus में J. AI similarly the association index. J denotes the number of joint syntax of an individual A and B, that is a male and a female. A that denotes total number of sightings of A, and B denotes the total number of sightings of a B. So, social networks. We have to understand some basic terms for the association index. So these are typically a description of interconnections that are formed by the relationship among the multiple individuals. Cairns and Squager 1987 used association indexes to account for the variation in the sampling effort and the observation of the frequency. They use this index. So these indices actually convert the number of observation of pair of individuals seen associating or interaction into an association rate. Okay, so they convert the specific value into an association rate representing their propensity to associate or their probability of being observed together. So actually association index is generally a measure to calculate the chances of two individuals of being seen together. Association index typically range from 0, the value from 0 to 1. 0 represents that the two individuals are always seen together, and 1 as the individuals are always seen together. So the value 0 actually denotes that the two individuals are never observed together, and the 1 denotes the individuals are always seen together. Earlier I have said 0 represents always seen together. That is wrong. Actually 0 represents never observed together. Now the half weight index. What is it? Half weight index calculates the probability that two individuals are observed together given that one has seen, but under the assumption that the probability of missing individual A or B when they are together is equal to m times the probability of missing them when they are apart. Generally this definition is not important for the students of university. This is for research purpose. So half weight index is denoted by this formula. HWI is equal to x upon x plus 1 by 2 YA plus YV. So according to Cairns and Squager 1987, x is equal to the number of times the both individual A and B was seen together in the same group. YA denotes the number of times individual A was seen. YB denotes the number of times individual B was seen. What are the advantages of HWI? It produces a very low error when the sample size is large, that is when we are considering a large animal. It is also widely used in cetacean research. So this following is the diagram representing the spatial formation of dolphin dyads. Dyads means the group of two individuals. So in this, S represents a subject, that is we can say a male, and P represents its partner, that is female. So here 5 conditions are given. The first one is the subject dolphin is front of its partner, that is this subject dolphin is front of its partner. Then B, that is subject is ahead of its partner with an overlap of up to half body, that is subject is ahead but it has an overlap. Then C, subject and partner are swimming in parallel up to half body length, that is they are swimming parallelly but overlap of half body length is C. Then D, that is subject is lagging after P with an overlap of up to half body, that is subject is behind the P and overlap of half body is seen. And at last, that is E, that is subject is behind P. This is the graphical representation of the mean association pattern measured by half weight index. This diagram is only for research analysis and the research scholars. It is not meant for the students of universities. So this is all about the association index.